What's up guys, it's Sammy, that's Carson. We're the complete couple and today we're going to show you guys a junior suite. Is that what it is? I think that's what it is, a junior suite here on Grandeur of the Seas. We're going to show you all it has. It's way nicer than our little interior window room, so we'll show you everything it has to offer and let's go check it out.
Alrighty, here we are, room 854. This is a junior suite. We have a birthday going on in it, but let's check it out and see what this junior suite holds. So as we enter, this is what you're going to look into right here. The left-hand side is going to be your bathroom. This is a little storage area on the left-hand side, a really nice storage area for your shoes, maybe your toiletries, anything else you've got, hats, all sorts of stuff right there on the left-hand side. You got a little compartment down here. This is like a area for women, I think, to maybe do your makeup, stuff like that. There's storage right there, little drawers right here for storage, shelf. That is really nice. Let's see, right-hand side, we got a full-size closet. Let's open this up again. We do have people in here right now, so this is doing a midway through the cruise tour. Hangers, a huge area, extra area for your hanging clothes. Big old shelf right there for storage. Bunch of drawers for storing. Well, that one doesn't want to come out very much. Huge area right there for your suitcases, although they didn't utilize them. We've got your life jackets at the very top. I mean, that is a nice big storage area. This room seems huge here on the Grandeur of the Seas. Let's shut those. On the left-hand side, we have your bathroom. Let's walk in. Look at this bathroom. Huge bathroom as we walk on in. Here's your toilet. Here's your tub/shower. That is really nice. Look at how huge this tub shower is. You do have the curtain, which I am not a big fan of, but as far as the size of the shower and tub, it is really nice. If you're a or if you're a bath person, you got a place to do a bath. You got your standard toilet, nice ample area, sink, storage which they have taken big advance use of. Got some drawers, some cabinets. We have the same two shelves in our own room. Storage underneath. I mean, I'm very impressed with the bathroom. I'm a bigger man and I feel absolutely not claustrophobic in here. Ours is really tight. Huge shower, which is really nice. And tub is a bonus. As we exit here, again, you had your kind of vanity area on the left. You had your storage on the right. So we walk in more towards the bedroom side. Huge bed. Look at how much ample area you have back there, guys. It is absolutely huge. You got a sitting area, 2 seats. We will get to there in a second. More storage here, actually. Well, actually, I lied. That's a broken shelf right there. It's supposed to look like this, is my guess. But I'm not exactly sure what this does. But nonetheless, a little something right there. Here's your inside tables. You got your side tables. Some storage right there. Let me see if they've got outlets on this one. No outlets again. You got your lights. Light again there, which we did in our room. I can show you guys. Might as well show you. Let's see. Let's turn these lights on. The light right there. Full-size bed. And here is your, again, this is kind of a vanity/desk area. Same thing in the interior rooms. Storage right there. We've got on this side a thermostat. Now, funny enough, in the other room we just toured, this was in Celsius. Their room is just in nothing. So let's see. It goes hot or cold. Not as confusing there. A way better phone on our room. It's mounted to the side. Looks like it's from the 1960s. There's their phone. Let's see here. Some storage in here. We got storage. There was a hairdryer, storage, and storage. We got some shoes, because again, this is a used room being used. Nice desk area. Again, storage on this side. Lights, camera, action, all nice and lit up. Let's see if this has their safe in it. It sure does. Safe with storage. Safe right there. Really nice. TV. Look at this. This is extra. In their room, they actually have a fridge, which is nice. So in the junior suites, there is a fridge that is usable. If we can figure out how it opens. It opens from that size. Fridge is usable. So there's a fridge in their room. We do not have that in ours, which is nice. I guess in the junior suites, you do get a fridge. Look at this sitting area. So as we walk further into the room, you got a full-size couch. I wonder if that's a pull-out. You got your nightstand right there, pull-out, center table, 2 kind of lounging chairs, section on the back side where you can store all your items. They got a cool bottle of wine, beautiful mirror on the back side, and that is the sitting area. Let's just go back here and check and see if they have any plugs. Let me see what kind of plugs they have. So they have 1 set of plugs right there, and then you got a international plug. Then on the other side, same kind of thing. Got a phone jack and how loud you want your announcements channel Very minimal plugs in these rooms. Now, they do have a coffee maker. I didn't realize that. Kind of cool. So I guess they have Keurig cups with a coffee maker. Kind of neat. You can get shots in espresso. That's kind of cool. Something extra that ours does not have. And then again, as we exit here, this is going to be their balcony. Let's check out their balcony. So as we open this side curtain and open this side curtain, look at this balcony. Look at this balcony we're going to walk out to. This thing is absolutely massive. Most balconies have enough for maybe 2 chairs, and that's pretty much it. You don't have much more room.
It's a nice balcony.
Look at this. They have 2 chairs, a table, and a huge view of the exterior of this ship. I mean, this balcony is massive. Beautiful view as we look out here. Look at this view this room shows here. It's absolutely stunning. Plenty of room for multiple people as we are 4 of us out here. It doesn't even feel crammed.
I'll say it'd be nice to have breakfast out here.
Yeah, beautiful breakfast, beautiful area, nice table. Again, and that right there is kind of a junior suite on Grandeur of the Seas. Huge room, very impressed, and that is what we were looking at.
Alright, and Carson showed you everything that Junior Suite had to offer. Amazing balcony, amazing room. Honestly, pretty good ship. I've liked it so far. It has its cons, but it has a lot of pros that I was surprised by. So don't forget to like, subscribe, check out our content. We have dinners, we have shows, we have room tours, we have ship tours, we have everything. So check out our content, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.